Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again, and guess what?
Another one.
That's right. I like the original ONN box from Walmart so much, I had to go get
another one.
That's right, the new 4K. This is the new one, the 4K version of it. This one is $50 at Walmart right now. So if you make sure you watch my video on the other one. This is the 4K streaming device. It has more memory, and the difference between this one, it's got the 4K and it's got the bigger processor. Here it is right here at the box. It's got a Cortex A55, 3 GB RAM with 32 gigs of storage, Wi-Fi 6 capability. That's the big differences right here. So let's open this baby up real quick. Make sure you guys watch the other video on the original one. I'm having a great time with it. Got it all set up. Here's the instruction manual. Oh, of course, I'm going to put that on the side. Here's the main event right here. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. You guys, my stand is acting funny. So let's sit that down for now. Let's pop the box open. Inside the box, you see the usual suspects. You see the HDMI cord, the remote control, and the power cord. This remote, remember the previous one is white. This one is black with it's got the voice control right here. I think the other one has too. So pretty similar with the remote control. I like it because you can control everything. They do give you batteries. There's your batteries right there. But let's get this baby open right here. Ooh, yeah. I'm trying to do all this with one hand, so hold on a second. There we go. Ooh, that's right. Woo! Look at that, you guys. Remember the other one? The other one is just like a hard plastic top type. This is like a fabric. Look at that. You can even see the mesh. Look at the mesh in it. Nice little fabric on the top, the bottom. There's your power button. I'm just looking around. On the back, you have your Ethernet cable, your HDMI, and 3.0 USB, and of course your power. So everything exactly the same as the other one, but this boy got a nice little fabric. So you know, you guys, I'm getting ready to get this baby all set up, and we're gonna be back on the road again because I needed another one. Hey, you guys, I'm getting these because I'm getting rid of the Amazon Fire Sticks. There's gonna be no more Fire Sticks because you know the Fire Sticks are changing the game. So this is gonna be the new thing right here. The 4K ONN box. You can also get the regular one, but this is the 4K streaming box. So we are ditching the Amazon Fire Sticks, and we're going with the Google TV with the ONN 4K box. So make sure y'all definitely check it out. The link will be in the description.